motor wires.
Really?
It's orange now.
Do they have
like it is on cars?
Do they have a quick release in the cable?
No. For a high power like this, that would create a bottleneck.
So I was thinking, man, is there a company that does split discs, or would that be possible to like have them go half and half?
I think motorcycles do that.
Because that would be convenient to do something like if you could just half and half it and not take off the whole fucking thing off. That would be premier or prime.
I think motorcycles
or preferred.
Motorcycles have them like that. But
So I wonder if I could use a motorcycle rim for that and just.
You would have to change some stuff here, but you could probably put motorcycle brakes and a disc on this.
Would I have to change up my hydraulics at all, or keep them?
You would have to get whole new brakes.
Like hydraulic lines and all?
You would have to get you would be getting motorcycle brakes and hydraulic lines.
Ah, fuck, that would be a bitch.
And you would have to get thicker disc.
Yeah, you see how it's all fucked up?
Yeah, it's just, you gotta sit there and finesse it and bend it. They sell a thing for truing them, for bending them.
Yeah, I'm not good at that shit.
By hand.
I'm not good at that shit myself, because you know, my dyslexic ass. The thing is, like, I don't know what it's supposed to like be like normally, so I can't really true it the way I should.
Just keep looking in there and get it to where it don't rub no more.
We're in stage 2 of disarming, taking off the tire, I guess. Stage 1, harness.
Zip ties.
Cut the zip ties, unscrewing shit.
Your bike has like clampable torque arms, so you have to loosen those.
Notice not putting that in the same spot as everything else. Put that in the camera so we retrace that when we lose that.
Find it later.
This is on outside. That one. This way. The more worn side goes this way.
The bucket don't work, I'll lay it in this.
Alright. Now the thing I forget is, now we gotta remember is this on the inside or is this on the outside?
I don't know, I remember we had to fight that last time. That had to be on the inside because I don't remember it being behind this nut. I'm pretty sure it's on the inside. It has to be, or else it'll be hitting your free wheel. This part would be hitting this.
Right. Alright. So I'm gonna I put the other one over there and it goes back this way. The worn side, like that. So
I don't think which side will matter. Alright, so now we gotta.
Now I'm gonna put this over here.
Pick the bike up. Flip it over on this. Alright. Pick it up since you're already gonna lay it like you'll probably have to bring it under like that.
Right. Get the kickstand out of the way.
Come up this way.
Kickstand's in the way of the cable. I'm gonna move your leg.
But don't go forward, it goes up.
Duh. I told you I'm dyslexic.
Get him the burn out. Alright, slide the bucket over so.
Where? Here this way?
Away from me, yeah. There you go.
And I'll hold this if you need me to. So I don't know if it makes sense to try to fix the bend in the rim with the tire on or off it, or the new tire on it.
It'd be with the tire off.
Okay.
Flip, but see the bucket idea. It's like anything besides that.
Starting an eBay sale. Starting with eBay. This will go to the valve stem. All right.
Yeah, I have these. It's kind of easy to die. And he was like, oh, I want those. So, no, I don't know what that is.
I've never done this before myself. Ever get back inside the lip on its own? Like you try to get that side off and that side goes back on?
It will. That's why you got to try to have a second or a third bar to hold so you get to like this point and it won't go back now.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. No going back for you.
Can you move like that way?
Yeah.
I'll slide the bucket. I got to put it right here.
Don't touch the brakes, John. Don't touch the brakes. The other night, it was actually from my next door neighbor. We ordered pizza from 7-Eleven. Did $7 for 2 miles, but it was like going back to my own place. That's pretty good.
You're only using about 4 cents for like not even.
Not even.
Probably 2 cents for like
Yeah, no, it was an effortless exchange at 7-Eleven. That's where it could go bad. Where the
time wasted waiting on food.
the worker's not knowing what the F is going on, effing stuff up, delaying stuff. Those little cheap plastic tire wedge things that they gave you. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's about as much as my capacity with these. It's not quite the same.
These are just heavier.
Same concept though, right?
Pretty much. Other than the bolt on your valve.
Oh, okay.
Your valve goes in inside
Right.
that holds it.
Right. How's that tire looking?
I'll check it before.
Oh, hey. They can't be doing that right now.
Mom, what you fucking doing with water? Go on.
Just worried about that.
It ain't gonna hurt the bike, but I don't want to get fucking wet.
Right, yeah. That's hilarious. Can we make that a viral moment? Make that a viral moment. Well, Lisa's there. Is this the easy or the hard part?
It's probably harder.
Okay, it's not what I wanted to hear. So you don't want to just flip it and do the other way?
No, because I have to come this way.
Okay. Okay.
You see how your rim's made?
Yeah.
Like, that's the low point.
Yeah.
Try to get your tire in that. And give you a little bit more flavor.
Oh, okay. That's some weird way to get this shit off. I never thought. What?
You put some hot glue on it?
Yeah, I could. That's black electric tape. I just painted over it after I tried to hammer it and chip the paint myself, if you're wondering what that was. Damn. So you think a pothole did that?
Something.
Yeah, I remember definitely hitting something hard going to Shepherdstown.